I'm redoing this video as a request. A lot of people requested me this video again because I got a video on how to do the alignment on a car, but I only explained it and I did not show how to do it. But here I am. I'm gonna try to show how to. Try to show how to do it. So this is what you do. You try to center your wheel the best way you can, and I'm gonna show you what you do. You're gonna put some ratchet straps around here, around the wheel over here, so your wheel don't move once you pick up your car. And this is and I'll show you when the straps are done. Okay, all right, thank you. I'll be right back. So you put your straps around here and hook them over here on the bottom of your chair, hook them over there, and then you pick up your car and put a line, and I'm gonna show you what you do next. So I went to mess up my alignment, and I went to wrap my line again. My line right there. This is my line right here. Right there's my line, barely touching the back side of the wheel, barely touching the front part of it, and wrap around the back on both tires. So it wraps around, and it goes around here, around the back, and it goes around here, and there's a line right there. It's wrap around this other wheel, but this one over here is barely touching. And when you come over here, I messed up my alignment again, so for the purpose of this video, so I could show you exactly how to do it, because my other video was only about explaining, and I got one inch minus one line right there, minus, oh, I guess I say 1/16. So it's 1 inch minus 1/16, or so it's 14/16 altogether. But this one, I'm not gonna try to mess you up with 16ths and stuff like that. So I just call it as number 1 minus 1 line, okay? And this is 1 inch right there, minus 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, minus 4 lines. So this is way off. So this is how you're gonna fix it. I'm gonna show you how to fix it now, okay? And then I leave my stuff right there. All you need is a 13-inch for the tie rod, 13-inch socket, wrench, in a 21-inch wrench. I'll be right back, so I could show you how to fix it from the bottom. The bottom of my car right now, and this is where you're gonna put the. This is where you're gonna put this is where you're gonna put the 21 right there, and this is where you're gonna put the number 13 right here. And the reason is because this has got to go loose. This has got to loosen up. We got to loosen this up. There. And it got loosened up now. So now, to be able to push it in, we're gonna have to push these, because this side over here, this side of the wheel. Let me try to show you this way. Right here, like this. This side of the wheel has. This side of the wheel has 1 and 4 lines deeper than that one. That has 1 and 1 line. So I'm gonna brain it out. And to bring it out, I'm gonna have to go like that, and this one has to be still, so you don't push the tie rod back in. So I'm assuming I brought it out. I'm assuming I brought it out like that. So let me see. Let me check it. Let me check it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. There, this one has 1 and 2, and that one has 1 and 2, 1 and 3 lines now. That one has 1 and 3 lines, and this one has 1 and 2 lines now. So now I'm gonna bring this back. Try to see if that will do it. Okay. All right. Alignment for this wheel is perfect. Watch and see. Okay, look at number 1. Look at it right there. You could see. I hope I don't ruin it. It says 1. Try to make sure your ruling device, your measuring device is square. There you go. That's number 1 minus 2 lines. 1 inch minus 2 lines. Right, and this one is also the exact same thing right here. We go right there is 1 inch minus 2 lines right there. 1 inch minus 2 lines, so we're perfectly fine. All I gotta do is tie up my tie rod back there and make it tie and just make sure it won't move, and then we're fine. So we're done with this wheel, doing the alignment on this wheel and coming out from the back. Now we're gonna go to the next wheel, and as soon as we finish the next wheel, we're done. Okay, so this is completely separated. This is the line right there, and the wheels right there. And over here it's completely separated too. It's completely separated. So we're gonna make this closer to almost touch the wheel right there. Watch and see. Let me see. Almost right there. Almost right there. Very almost not touching it. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we finish the other wheel. The same procedure goes for this one. We make sure we make sure the line wraps around the back wheel on the back side of the wheel, on the back side of the car, and on the front side of the wheel barely touches right there, barely touches, like a hair. And then you come here, you measure from here. I already fixed this one too, but it's the same procedure as it's done over there on the other side. The exact same procedure. So this one goes like this. Let me see. Let me get my measuring device right here. So this one goes right there like that, and from there you should come right here, and it says right there a half, and a line less than half inch. So it's 7/16, but I'm not gonna mess you up with 16s, but it's a line less than half inch, so it's 7/16, because the half inch would be 8/16. So, and then we go on this side over here, and then we have the exact same thing, a half and a line less than 16. So it's a 7/16, a half and a line less than a half inch and a line less than a half. So it's 7/16, because the half is 8/16. I'm gonna show you again from here. You see, there we go. Right there is a half and a line less than, and one line less than half. And the same thing with this one. The same thing goes over here. So we got it right there. Look at a half and a line less than a half. and then we do the same procedure. The same procedure goes for under the car on the tie rod. We use the 21 wrench for the to loosen up the tie rod, and the 13 to maneuver the tie rod in and out, so to move the wheel this way from the front of the car, this way or that way, in ways or out ways, whichever we need. Okay, all right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy.